Hey everyone, today we are at Hopewell Furnace in Chester County, Pennsylvania, and we are on the Big Woods Trail. And we thought we would just walk here and show you this trail. This is actually a connector between Hopewell Furnace and French Creek State Park. And we've never been on this trail before, even though we've been to French Creek and Hopewell a lot, but this is so much shorter than what we thought this trail was going to be. But it's a beautiful short trail, and it goes from Hopewell to French Creek, and it ends up at the dam. So you'll see where we end up when we come out of here. So in the meantime, I hope you enjoy this beautiful walk. It's just a perfect name for it, the Big Woods Trail, because there's just woods along this trail, and it's just absolutely gorgeous. So here we go. And today is a June day and it is super hot. It's like 96 degrees and humid. And this is a perfect path to come in the hot weather too in the summer. It's all shaded. So it's absolutely pretty, it's hot, but it's, really nice in the shade. And here's the gate, and this gate is the entrance to French Creek State Park. And here's where this trail comes out. It comes out at the one end of Hopewell Lake at French Creek State Park, and it's the end of the lake where the dam is. So if you turn right at this dirt path there, that'll go to the dam. So anyway, thanks for watching. I hope this is helpful, and have an awesome day.